Begin.
What is the best way to set up a blind materials comparison test?
Blind testing of your soldering materials is very important so as to eliminate bias towards a particular manufacturer, salesperson, things along those lines. And the way this is done is approximately a week or so before we're actually doing the testing. Somebody totally unaffiliated with the test and the manufacturing process takes the samples, whether in a bottle, jars, cartridges, and assign each of the different samples a letter. Writes down the letter and the corresponding sample, seals it up in an envelope, and puts it away. Go forward, you do your testing, and at the end of the testing, you open up the envelope, and the winner is. Very important thing also that in your testing, you will be using the material that you're currently using as one of the blind samples. And it's very important that you tell your printer operator to not disclose, oh, I recognize this one, this is the one we're using now. Can't have that. And how will they recognize it? By the smell. Discretion is very, very important.
Complete.